So we have some fries right here that's already hot and I already took out. And I'm just going to sprinkle another coating of white cheddar on. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. How is everybody doing? Good, because your girl is back with another video, you guys. Yes, today I decided, and I don't know when was the last time you guys saw me fry chicken. So today I'm going to fry me some crispy fried chicken. And yeah, this is a cooking video. Another one of my great cooking videos. At least I think so. So today what we have is some basic chicken. You know, leg drums, chicken drums, you know, whatever you want to call it, okay? So in this video, you know, this cook with me video, as you guys, if you follow me, you know I have a special blend of seasoning. Can you guys see it? Okay. And yeah, I never test this season out on my chicken. Well, fried chicken, you know. So it's the first time for that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this up. We're going to mix it on up in here and get it blended. Because I'm still going to put some seasoning on my chicken. So we're just going to mix this on up. You guys, can you guys see? Okay, but anyway, we're going to slide that aside. And here we have our legs already washed and cleaned. You know, our chicken legs is already washed and clean. And yeah, let me wipe my hands because I need to go back into the seasoning bag. Well, actually, let me take this glove off. So what is you guys having today? So we're going to put up some seasoning right on over here. A little more because we got a lot of chicken legs. And I just want to deep fry them. That's what I want to do over here. And yeah, over here you will learn the basics to cooking any meal that you want. If you're a first time viewer, thank you. And if you enjoy the content, I hope you enjoy it enough to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, come join your girl. I'm trying. That's all I can really say. Now we're not gonna have the egg wash or anything because I just wanna just have some simple fried chicken. And it's still gonna be crispy enough to me because I definitely had it on cold. And what I'm going to do is put a couple of in this basket. Now I do have my deep fryer on, I want to say 345. You know, that's what I have it in between. And we're just going to cook a couple of pieces together at a time because there's no rush. And yeah, I'm gonna lower it in here and let it do its thing. Now one thing I will say about deep frying is you definitely will have to watch it. And we're going to cover this chicken just like so. So guys, so I am about to turn this chicken over. That didn't go well. And yeah, I always like to bring you guys the best recipes that I know how to cook. And, you know, I love to see other YouTubers do their thing in the kitchen as well. So, you know, I enjoy tasty foods. I really do. And I enjoy being in the kitchen, you guys. Excuse me. But I love to make my quick dinners, okay? I'm not going to kid you. I love to make my quick dinners and give you guys great meal ideas, you know? It may be something that you hadn't had in a while, you know? And, yeah, you know, just like to look and see different food recipes and, you know, food ideas. And just share them, you know? But they always say chicken is American favorite food. They always say that. Have you ever heard of that? If you did, leave it in the comments below. They say, you know, hey, the U.S. food is so good and delicious. Which it is. But, you know, sometimes I like to have baked food. I like to have a simple meal, you know. And, yeah, I love to show you guys how to cook these different types of recipes. Okay guys, so I jumped ahead and I cooked a couple of pieces of chicken. Now I just want to show you guys, it's lightly floured, but yet you can see the seasoning on my chicken. You see it? Now that looks like it's going to be some terrific seasoning. And one of the seasonings that I do have in here is crushed red pepper. To give it that spice. I also have paprika. So yeah. You guys, when I tell you this seasoning is awesome that I have. I actually made the recipe myself for this seasoning. Well, it's really, I don't know if you could call that a recipe, you know, but yeah. It doesn't pertain to seasoning salt such as Larry's or, you know, any other brand of seasoning salt. So we're going to let those go on the fry because I got some waffle fries I'm going to go on and put in here for the kids. So that can complete his dinner. And this made actually the best dinner of the week, okay? This was the best dinner and the best cooked video of the week. Okay, so we're down to the last few pieces of chicken. Let me show you guys. Let's get the chicken over here because I don't want to spill no juices. Look at that deliciousness right there. And we got another one coming out. But baby, this is dinner today. This is what's for dinner today. They can either push it or they can pull it. And if they know like me, they're going to pull it. Because baby, it's hot in the kitchen. Okay? It's definitely hot in the kitchen. And we're going to bring that basket up just like that. Because now I am going to drop some waffle fries down in here. I don't want too many. So Carter had me bound by the sack. And I'm just going to drop them on down in here. And we're going to cook up some waffle fries right quick. Okay, guys. As you see, let me move this over so you guys can see fries. So we have some fries right here that's already hot and I already took out. And I'm just going to sprinkle another coating of white cheddar on it. You said, now, why would you put white cheddar on some french fries, right? It's still cheese. And I figure, hey, they was for popcorn, so your girl is going to use the white cheddar on her french fries. And, yeah, Carter loves it. So we're just going to go ahead and get ready to close this video out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know that your girl enjoys cooking. And she brings you the best recipes. And she give you a meal idea as well. And yeah, she had other cook videos. All you have to do is look in the description. And come on, follow your favorite YouTuber. I'm on the road to 8,000, you guys. So hit the subscribe button. Come join your girl. And yes, just don't do it so that I can come to your channel. You know, if you like the video, truly press the subscribe button. Come join your girl. Share this video out, and you know, share this video out with any and everyone. I give simple, basic, the best video recipes. And I'm always in the kitchen. So you guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.